then output will be C equal to some value. What is the value you get it? That will be displayed. Okay, this is came out the switch case. Thank you. Thank you, Managa. Thank you for watching my video. Yeah, actually I want to stop it here. Okay, I want to stop it here. But if else ladder, I don't want to take separate class for the if else ladder. Okay, there is if else ladder will also be there. Okay, I want to stop it here actually. If else ladder, I will tell you. Okay, in today class only, I will tell you about the if else ladder. Wait a second. If else ladder or if else if. Okay, if else if ladder, whatever, or else if ladder. Okay, if else ladder or else if ladder. Then what is the difference? Number of if statement will be included over here. Then what is the syntax? When if the data is range of values, if the integral values we will use switch statements. Here if it is not integral value, okay, the data is if the data is range of values. If the data is range of values, we will use else if ladder. We will use else if the data is range of value. If the data is integral value, we will use switch statement. If the data is integral, not integral value, in case of range of values, then we will use the if else if ladder or if else ladder. Syntax: if expression, and then condition is true, statements will be executed, statement or statements, then else if not else if else if else if else if ladder or else if ladder, then expression 1, expression 2, then statements, then else if, expression 3, then statements, then direct else, n number of statements. Okay, else if expression n statement or statements, then else statement or statements. Yeah. If expression 1 is true, then the statement will be executed, then terminates, then we should come out of the else if ladder. Then if it is false, then which comes to here. If it is true, the statement will be executed, then jumps out of the switch. Then it is also false, then which comes to here. It is also false, then which comes to here. If any one of the if statement met false because any one of the if statements, all if statements are false, then simple the else part will be executed. This statement is also false, this statement will also false, this statement will also false, this statement will also false. Then finally what is there? Else. Then all if statements are false, then else part will be executed. If any one of the if statement condition is true, those if statement will be executed, then program will be terminated. This is why it is called a range of values. Okay, this is called as a syntax. Okay, I will tell you simple example using this syntax. Yeah, wait a second. Example of else ladder. White main. Then what? Int m1 comma m2 comma m3. Suppose if you find the student grade, if you want to find the student grade, okay, I want to know, write a program to find the student grade. How do you find the grade? Based on the student marks, average marks. Based on that, we need to find out the grade of a student. Then see out, enter m1 comma m2 and m3 marks. Then see in m1 comma sorry to say m1 m2 m3. Then here also we require total average variable also. Then what you have to do after that? Total equal m1 plus m2 plus m3. Average, how many subject you have taken? 3 subject. Total by 3. Based on this average, we need to find out the average. Sorry, grade. If average 90 or above 90, see out A grade. Then, if else, else if, then average, then 90 above A grade or 80 above, then 80 to 90, above 90, above 80, average greater than or equal to 80 and average less than 90, which means that 80 above, below 90, in between. If the value is in between 80 to 90, see out B grade. Then else if average 70 and average 80 and above 70, below 90, then see out C grade. Then else if average above 60 and average below 70, then see out D grade. And then no space is there. I will write here, I will write the remaining part, I will write it here. Then after that, here please come to here. Then else if, then what is average 50, then average 60. Then C out, what is called A, B, C, D, E grade. Then else if, then average 40, average 50. And then it is called as P grade and finally passed. P grade. P grade. Okay, then else, then C out, no grade, fail. Here this is a simple example for the what? Else if ladder. Then M1 for example, M1, M2, M3, suppose 50, 70, 60. Then 60, what is here you reading M1, M2, M3 values during the runtime. Total equal to what is the value? Total equal to 60, 110, 180. Total equal to 180. Then average equal to total by 180 by 3. Yeah, 60. Average equal to 60. Here average equal to 60. What is here 60? The condition is false. Then go to the here else if. Then it is 60 in between 80 to 90. No, false. Which could come here. Here the average is in between 70 to 80. False. The average between 60 to 70. Yes. Average value is 60. What is the output we got? D grade. Here after that fail. The main function will here end the main. Here C out, D grade. What is the output of this program is? Output is D grade. You can practice more example. Take another values, then you check the program. Isn't it? Today I talked about selection statement, decision statements. Thank you, Mandal. Thank you for my watching video. If you have any doubt, you can post in comment box below. Thank you.